Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and I recently got over a upper respiratory infection, and these were a lifesaver for me. These are Hall's Relief. So these are for relieving a cough and soothing a sore throat, and these really worked for me. So I kept having these coughing fits where I just couldn't stop, and this was the only thing that helped me out. So I love that it comes in these little 9-packs, and it's nice to be able to just take this little stick or little pack and throw it into your purse or something. So especially if you know that you're feeling better but not quite over the cough and you want to have something on hand in case it strikes up again, then it's nice to have these little portable packs. So the actual little drops come in these little individually wrapped squares. They definitely help me to stop coughing pretty quickly. So if you are suffering with a cold, or maybe you have a chronic cough and you just like to keep something on hand, then these Halls are a really great option. I think they work really well for me, and that's my point of view.